Today, I'm gonna react to some of the most viral grooming hacks on TikTok to see if they're actually effective or just completely pointless. The last one, however, is crazy. Bro, it completely transformed how I look. Let's start with number 1. Okay, DIY pimple hack. She's rubbing an ice cube on her pimple, which this is good for reducing swelling and redness. Good work here. She has salt. That's smart. I've never thought of that. The Band-Aid is genius. We gotta try this out. Okay, so I actually have a pimple right around here. I don't know if you can see it's starting out. I always like using ice on my face. I've showed you guys that before, but the extra step of adding salt, just a tiny bit, is genius because the salt is a dehydrator. And to keep the salt in place, you grab a Band-Aid. I tried to get one as closest to my skin tone color as possible and just apply on top. Perfect, bro, look at that. Keep this on for 1 day, just sleep overnight, and by the next day, that pimple should be dried out. Number 2, the Earline shaving hack. Okay. Cool. Easy. That's too easy, bro. All right. I got the comb, place it in the middle of the ear, straight down. So he's basically saying, we're gonna get rid of all of that. You go. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. All there. Look at that jawline, bro. I like it. That's just one of the grooming hacks we're gonna be reacting to today. We also have a crazy one for your eyebrows. Number 3, teeth whitening hack.
I'm gonna show you how I got my teeth from this to this. Such an easy hack, so stay tuned.
Most teeth whitening hacks never work this well, so this one has a lot of lights. Hoping this one works.
Crest strips, but I would recommend cutting them in half because they can get really pricey and this would double your supply. Traditionally, you're supposed to fold them over your teeth, but I think this can be kind of wasteful.
That's genius. Whitening strips always work. All she's doing is make them last longer. I picked up a box of Crest with 20 whitening strips. So this costs around $30 on Amazon, but because I'm gonna cut them all in half, I basically get 40 treatments. So basically every time you treat your teeth, it comes out to under $1. So now that it's cut, we just pull half. As you can see, look, I'm just pulling half of it off. The other half, you can just put it away. And then we just use that one half on your teeth. Now, moment of truth. Let's see if it actually covers the teeth. Dang. This is the best hack, girl. All of you need to start doing this right now, this instant. Look at that. It covers the teeth fully, and there's no need to whitening the back of your teeth. 10 out of 10 hack. Number 4, underwear folding hack.
Lo primero por hacer es voltearlo de manera que
All right, this is in Spanish. I'm gonna help you guys out. He basically says you have to turn it inside out with the seams facing you. This is gonna be interesting because underwear is one of the most complicated things to fold.
Dobla el área del elástico hacia la mitad y dobla los costados hacia atrás, uno encima del otro.
Okay. Then he just folds the elastic band all the way halfway and then folds the flaps backwards.
Hacia atrás, uno encima del otro. Coloca el excedente en la parte de atrás y por último dobla el elástico hacia afuera y listo.
All right, we gotta go test this out. So I'm sitting here with my pair of sheath underwear right in front of me. By the way, this is the underwear to go, guys. For those of you guys that want to level up your underwear, sheath is the way to go. You can even see it has like a pouch in the front. And the reason you can see the pouch, that pouch was on the inside, is to do this hack, you want to keep your underwear inside out. So once it's inside out where you can see your seams, lay it in front of you with the front pouch facing you. By the way, that front pouch, lifesaver. That front pouch is where your package goes in. So you never have to adjust for readjust during the day. That thing is genius. So once you have it this way, it says to fold the waistband down halfway, then you fold one leg back, then the other leg back. And it's pretty easy. Then just fold the legs upwards. I do 1, 2, grab the elastic waistband. Hey. I think this is the cleanest I've ever seen an underwear be folded. Most of the time, I just throw it in the drawer. And if you want to level up your underwear, check out Sheath. And they're made from bamboo material. It's not like your cheap cotton. It feels super refreshing down there. And you will never have to readjust again. Don't believe me? Click the link down below. There's a special code where you can pick up a pair at an insane discount. Just buy one, don't buy a lot. And I promise you, you'll never go back to regular underwear. Keep going. Number 5, how to line up your beard.
Coffee shape up your beard.
So you're going to want to start off like right in your Adam's apple and placing 2 fingers above your Adam's apple. Place your comb at that point and make a marker with your trim.
All right, so 2 fingers above Adam's apple. You grab your comb and you place it right above the second finger. You're gonna make your first guide marker there.
One side and make another
Difficult to react and do the hack. This is how you guys feel when you're always doing church probably. So here we go. So there's a die, and basically everything under that has to go. And Donald has to guide. Super clean. Look at that. I really like that job. 10 out of 10. Recommend this trick. Number 6, Eyebrow Grooming Hack.
This is my eyebrow.
There we go.
Get your hair out of the way. Grab
The boy doesn't have hair, so we're gonna
show your brow.
No, that was bullied. I think that's a girl thing, bro. But your boy has a brush. So I'm gonna brush upwards. All right.
Next, the brow. Get your microblade and shape up the silhouette of your
Microblade is also known as an eyebrow shaver. You can get these on Amazon for like $5. This is super
shape up the silhouette of your eyebrow. And very meticulous on how much you take off.
What he said there about silhouette is if you notice, every eyebrow has a natural line. There's just a lot of hair past that line. Try to cut all the hair that's outside your silhouette. And you can already see my eyebrow taking form. You're not making your eyebrows thinner. You're not shaping your eyebrows. You're literally just cleaning them up.
Your nose for a reference and clean up anything in between. Get your scissors.
So basically what you have to do is grab the same tool. You're gonna lay it on the side of your nose and inside of your eye. Any hair past this has to go. So we go, start shaving. You'll notice little hair sticking out, which just looks messy. Grab a pair of scissors, cut them off. So we're gonna cut the hair out. Just look how clean the eyebrow looks already. Beautiful. Okay. I'm already complimenting myself, bro. That's how you're gonna look.
Applying moisturizer. This is my finished look.
Grab a little bit of moisturizer. Especially after shaving your eyebrows, you want to moisturize that area around the skin, give your eyebrow structure. Right. So it looks like you have hunter eyes, bro. I like it. Number 7, homemade sugar wax. This is way better than trimming your nose, by the way, because you get everything from the root. Right. I just know this is gonna be satisfying. By the way, it doesn't actually hurt that much. That's great. Let's go test this out. I can do my own sugar wax. I will grab a bowl, put some sugar, some water, and some lemon juice. I will then put it in the microwave at medium heat for 3 minutes. Now, this is gonna be boiling hot to make sure it cools down. Once it's not burning your skin, you can then grab some Q-tips or popsicle sticks, dip it into the mixture, and insert in your nose. Then, pinch your nose so all the hairs stick, wait for a minute, and yank them out. Number 8, underwear mistakes that you're making.
Probably me. Number 1 is wearing overly tight underwear. If you have to keep pinching or readjusting your underwear over and over again, it's time to decide.
I completely agree with this, and most men don't fix the problem, which is that your underwear is too tight, which is for the last few years, I only use underwear with a pouch. That way my package is separated from my body and it has its own room. I never deal with this.
Number 2 is not changing your underwear after workouts. Sweaty underwear is a breeding ground for fungi, and not to mention, guys, it's gonna smell like ass.
Yes. As soon as you're done working out, you have about 30 minutes to get home, shower, and change your underwear. If you keep that all day, not only are you gonna stink, you're gonna grow unhealthy bacteria.
Third one is wearing boxer shorts. Boys, boxer shorts provide no support to the boys during your everyday hustle. Instead, switch out your boxer shorts.
Yes. Boxer shorts, you might as well go commando. Wear no underwear whatsoever, which don't give you support. Look, your package does need space, but you shouldn't let it freeball. This is why sheath underwear is some of the best in the market, because you're getting the best of both worlds. You have boxer briefs that give you that compression, that give you that support, but that dual pouch design allows your boys to breathe and have its own breathing room. Really, no other underwear will offer you this, and once you make the switch from regular cotton underwear to high quality underwear with a dual pouch, you'll never go back. I've been using this for the last 5 years. I'm telling you, it's game changing. Not only for how you feel, but also for your hygiene. If you guys want to check out Sheath, they're going to be linked down below. There's also going to be a limited time discount that's going to make the underwear crazy affordable. Go ahead and pick up just buy one, and see the difference it's going to make for you. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked below. Number 9, Chapped Lips Hack.
How to get rid of chapped lips.
I All right, those are the crustiest lips I've ever seen. I feel like I can feel that guy's breath coming through the screen.
Use a face brush and chapped lips. Give your lips a little lick.
This is interesting. I've never seen anybody use a facial brush on their lips.
Lips a little lick. Then exfoliate.
Never do that. Never lick your lips. Your saliva will dry out your skin, and this is why you're constantly re-licking your lips. This never works and will only make your lips more dry.
Then exfoliate the dead skin with the face brush.
Nah,
Then peel off the lifted skin. Now apply lip balm.
that looks painful. Don't use this. And keep the face brush for your face. You don't want to fill it with bacteria or other unnecessary dead skin that you're going to transfer to your face. Instead, use your toothbrush. After you're done brushing your teeth, the bristles from your toothbrush are gentle, and you're already using that around your mouth anyways, and you can lightly exfoliate your lips, and you won't have to peel anything off.
Apply lip balm.
That I agree
That's
with.
how you get rid of chapped lips.
Yeah. The only thing I agree with is apply lip balm at the end. Number 10, egg face mask. Glow-up tips for boys. Right? Egg whites, this is great. Egg whites contain protein, riboflavin, magnesium, and potassium. These ingredients promote youthful looking skin. Okay, 2 tablespoons of sugar, this is great too. The reason you see sugar here is because it's a humectant, meaning that it draws water from the environment, drawing it closer to your skin to keep it hydrated. Okay, then he uses some aloe vera. This is great too. Aloe vera can treat various skin conditions like acne, eczema, and sunburn. This seems like the perfect mask. Let's go try it out. All right, so I did the egg mask. I applied it for 30 minutes, let it sit. It was super cooling as it was sitting on my face. I washed it off. My face feels refreshed. 10 out of 10 mask.